welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my favorites of 2020. So I wanted to do this from a long time and I really love watching the monthly favorites of other YouTubers, especially Zoila. So I thought why not do something like that. So that's what I'm doing today. I prepared a list for my favorites and I'll share with you in sequence that I've divided, I hope. So let's get started. So the first thing are obviously the lifesaver books. So I'll do a wrap up of 2020 of my favorite top 20 books later on, but today I'll be sharing with you my top 2 favorite books of the year. So the first one is The Night Circus. I would highly recommend this book if you haven't read it yet. It is a thick book, and if you like descriptive reads, the prose that are really lyrical, world building is fantastic, story is strange and like none other. Like, it was very unique. There were a lot of things that I really loved about this book. This is something that can't be described in words. It can't be reviewed or summarized. Everyone has different opinions. Some really love it, some really hate it. I absolutely love this book. I rated it 5 out of 5 stars and I would love to go back to it because this is something that is not one time read. You can read it again and again and you will gather something different every time you read it. So I would highly recommend it. The story is something that can't be described. It is not what you are thinking. It's beautiful. It's just amazing. I highly recommend this one. The second one is The Authenticity Project by Claire Pooley. I really love this book. It is such a light-hearted read. The beautiful writing, the storyline is about 6 strangers that get connected through a diary, a green diary. It's so special. It's so unique. It's that kind of book that you would like to read snuggled up in a cozy blanket with a warm cup of tea and a candle beside. So I really love this book. I really enjoyed it. It's so unique. It's so special and the story is amazing. I would highly recommend it. If you haven't read it, please read it. Now you'd be lying if you'd say that you did not binge eat or order new food, not order obviously, stay safe guys, stay at home, or cooked new meals, try different dishes, bake new products, so, or tried bagged food, of course, because that's what my next category is. Next category is obviously that I just mentioned, food. The one thing, actually a sauce, a topping, that I really love this lockdown and have been loving it is Viva sauce. It's right here, I'm gonna get it. It's Chipotle Southwest dressing. It's amazing guys. I put it on burgers, french fries, with my chapatis. I eat it with everything. It's so good. Also, if you mix this with mayonnaise, it tastes incredible. I just can't stress this enough. I love it. I love it so much. The next thing in the food category is Gujarati Mix by Haldiram. It's fusion of different flavors, but if you like spicy things, I would not recommend it. It's not that spicy, but it's amazing. It's so flavorful. The next thing that I literally binge ate was Uncle Chips. I ordered it every now and then. I ate it at night while watching movies, shows, and I just loved it. It revived my childhood memories and I absolutely enjoyed eating them. The next category that I would like to mention is random. So I'll be mentioning all my makeup, apps, movies, shows, etc. in this category. So the first one, obviously, as you can see, is lipstick. I've been absolutely loving the Maybelline East Village Rose. It's what I'm wearing right now, if you can see. And I'm really loving this shade. It's a perfect red, nudish color. It's perfect for Indian skin tone. I'll show a swatch test after this, but that's how it looks. I'll give a swatch test and yeah. I absolutely love it. It gives that amazing red tint to the nudish color range and it's amazing. The next thing in the makeup category is mascara. I've been absolutely loving this Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. It gives really long, thick eyelashes and they're really voluminous. Now the next thing that I've been absolutely obsessing over is music. I've been listening to music all lockdown long, all quarantine long. You guys know Taylor Swift saved 2020 twice. I absolutely loved Folklore and Evermore. My favorite song from Folklore would be Exile and from Evermore would be obviously Evermore. I also loved Cardigan from Folklore. Also Champagne Problems from Evermore, and Champagne Problems, No Body No Crime, Tolerated. Absolutely love them. Binge listen to them every now and then. I just play it on Alexa on repeat and they just keep on playing, and I absolutely love blasting them on the speakers on Alexa. Also, yes, Alexa. Alexa has been my savior this lockdown. So yeah, big kudos to Alexa. Now the next category is shows. If you know me, you know how much I love Friends. I rewatched it again and again, and I watched snippets, clips of it, and I absolutely enjoyed my time thoroughly. I have no regrets binge watching it again and again. But the new shows that I've been watching and loving are number 1, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, and number 2, Suits. The next thing is apps. Now obviously we have been spending time on our phones, so I spend time on Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, obviously YouTube, Spotify, and Netflix. Some games that I really loved was obviously Candy Crush, Sudoku, etc, etc. I know a lot of people utilize this lockdown in certain different ways. I personally wasn't very productive, but I liked doing certain things at different intervals of time. So one thing that has been consistent nonetheless is skincare. So I have been using a lot of skincare products. I've been using natural skincare products as well. One thing that I've been loving, absolutely loving, is Khadi Miraculous 24K Gold Serum. It's a night serum and I don't apply it every day, but every night, but I do apply it once a while, and it really gives you that glowy skin when you get up in the morning. It's really smooth and it glides on very easily, and it does not stick to your skin. It does not give that itchy feeling or sticky feeling. It's really smooth. I really like it. It does not also have oily feel to it. I have very oily skin. Now the last thing in this list is movies. I watched tons of movies this quarantine season, this year, and some of my favorites were Love Actually. I absolutely enjoyed it. I also watched the Hunger Games series for the first time. Absolutely loved it. And the Lord of the Rings series. So yeah, that was it for my 2020 favorites. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. Also, I would love to know what you guys loved this year. Also, comment down some suggestions for the next video. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.